Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove a rear door handle on a Jetta MK6. Let us show you which body model that is. Probably the same from 2011 all the way until 2015-16, guys. It's really tricky. A front handle is easier, we have it on our channel. Rear door handle is hard to do. Okay, when you open the door, right here now, let us get some light. If you remove the seal, there is actually one tape right here that fell off of this one. Okay, and there is a hole. And in this hole, you need to get a hook like that. It does need to be deeper than that, because if it's deeper, it's not going to fit. And there is a hole. We won't be able to get the light in there, but once we remove it, we're gonna show you exactly what it is. And you need to pull towards the back, and then you need to open the handle. Okay, hold on, because we didn't get a good footage. You need to open the handle and pull it out. Okay, you see, you come out like that. And now you can go ahead to remove the handle towards the back like that. Get it out of there. Let us show you now what's causing that problem here. What you need to do now, you can see that plastic piece right here. That's the one that moves back and forth. Okay, and when you get your tool there, you're actually gonna move it towards the back. That's unlocked. This is locked. Okay, so it's pretty simple, but it's hard to get a tool like that, to be honest with you, something that will fit as well. Let us put it together, and we're gonna show you again what kind of tool we use. So just to put it together, okay, you install it like that. You need to make sure you go all the way there. Okay, need to grab it with two hands. This is towards the back. Okay, it's still not going in. So we need to make sure everything is good here. It's a little bit hard to see inside. Okay, it went in, it's moving. Now we'll need to push towards the front and open the handle. We need to install that piece now. And now we need to push in to lock it. Okay, you can hear the audible click. Then we need to remove the tool if we can. I think I got it stuck pretty good. And this is the tool, guys. If it's deeper than that, it's not going to fit, because it's a very small hole there. So that's how you guys remove and replace the rear door handle. We need to install the tape right here now. That's not going to stay, we will need to retape that one, but that will be the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.